Good morning, friends. It's math time with me, Mrs. Itis. Today you are going to need your red and your yellow crayon and your counting dots because we are going to do some problem solving on lesson 9-9, making a graph. So we are going to take a look at some fruits on a plate, and then we are going to organize them. We've done some graphing before, so this will be really fun. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Today we are going to graph some apples and bananas. So for our apples, we will use our red crayon. Let's color the apple in the key red so we know. And then we'll use the red side of our dots for apples. And then we'll use yellow for bananas. All right, yellow banana, yellow color, yellow dots. All right, friends, so let's go ahead and take a look at the fruit on the plate. Let's count our apples first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put our dots there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I see 5 red apples on the plate, then I will have to color 5 of the boxes in my graph red for 5 red apples. So let's go ahead and practice that. Let's color in 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, and 5 boxes. 5 boxes for 5 red apples on the plate. Good job. Now, let's graph using our yellow dots. So I'm going to just find all my yellows. All right? Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I found 6 bananas. Did you? Yes? Excellent. So if I have 6 yellow dots for 6 yellow bananas, how many boxes will I need to color in? That's right, 6 boxes to match the picture. Let's get our yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 yellow boxes for 6 yellow bananas. Wow, friends, let's go ahead and compare our graph. I see 5 red apples and 6 yellow bananas. Which fruit has more? Is it apples or bananas? Which shows more? Bananas, you're right. Let's go ahead and circle bananas. Bananas show more on the plate. How many more bananas do I have than apples? That's right, I have 1 more banana than I do apples. Because see, 1 and 1 match, those are equal. 2 and 2 are equal. 3 and 3 are equal. 4 and 4 are equal. 5 and 5 are equal, but I have 1 more banana than apples. That's why bananas are greater. 6 is greater than 5. Good job, friends. I'm so glad you can help me remember all this vocabulary we've learned. Let's go ahead and turn the page. Okay, we are going to make a graph. So we are going to take a look in these columns, okay? There are different colored cubes. Why don't we go ahead and choose red crayon for the first column, yellow crayon for the last column. I think we'll be able to see it easier. and a blue crayon for the middle column. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a listen. Okay, we are going to draw or color in cubes. So they gave us some examples first, okay? So when we see a graph, we see columns, all right? And this is a vertical graph, so it has columns. The other graph was horizontal because it was in rows, but this is a column graph. So we have to label our graph with numbers. So what we're going to do now is label going up the side. Now graphs grow up like you and me. So we start with a 1 on the bottom because as they get bigger and taller like us, the numbers go up and get bigger as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Now that makes sense because if I look across, I just see 1 cube here, 1 cube here. If I look up again, 1, 2. 1, 2, and there's the 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's the 3. See how we label our graph with the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, there's the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's the 5. Good job, friends. Excellent. So now that we have labeled our graph, let's go ahead and take a look at making some cubes in our graph. So if I had 5 red cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I could see that the label matches the picture that I asked you to draw. Great. Now let's get our blue. If I said I had 4 blue cubes, then I would put 4 in blue. 1, that matches. 2, that matches. 3, that matches. 4, and it matches. So this part of the graph is 4. I could either count the cubes or I could look to the side at the label and know that there was 4 in this column. All right, let's get our yellow. We're gonna make some yellow circles, okay? So what if I told you I had 3 yellow cubes? 1, 2, 3. Now, can I read that? Does my picture match the column label? Yes, it does. 1, 2, 3, 3. Great job, friends. So this is how we read a graph. I'm so glad you helped me graphing today. We're going to be doing some more graphing throughout the year. So let's use these skills we learned to make graphs. Bye, friends.